Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can resetting parameters in a DB parameter group to their default values. You can reset parameter values in a customer created DB parameter group to their default values. If you assign a single parameter group to multiple DB instances, then if you change the parameter values, it will apply to the all DB instances that are associated with the DB parameter group. When you use the console, you can reset specific parameters to their default value. We want reset all the parameters from custom values to default value in the DB parameter group. You can reset in simple steps. Dynamic parameter changes does not require reboot and it will apply to the DB instance immediately. When you change a static parameter, you need to manually reboot the DB instance. RDS console shows the status of the DB parameter group associated with the DB instance on the configuration type. The DB instance isn't using the latest changes to its associated with the DB parameter group. The RDS console shows the DB parameter group with the status of pending reboot. To apply the latest parameter changes to that DB instance, manually reboot the DB instance. To reset the parameters, in the navigation pane, choose parameter groups. In the parameter group page, choose your parameter group, then choose action, then choose reset. In the confirm setting page, you need to choose setting values to default. In the navigation pane, choose databases. It will take some time to modify. You can't reset the values in the default parameter group. In the navigation pane, choose databases. In the database page, choose your database. In this page, choose configuration tab and scroll down. Now we are seeing pending to reboot in the parameter group section. You need to choose action and click reboot. In the reboot DB instance page, need to choose confirm. Now DB instance state is rebooting state. It will take some time to available state. After DB instance available, you can check the parameter values after reboot is completed. You need to check the parameter values, change it to default value or not. For copying DB parameter group, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.